Third type of stealth camping is the one I do almost all the time. It is what I call woods camping, or you're camping in the woods, or we'll call it also rural stealth camping. That's when you're going out in wooded areas, away from people. Sometimes you're near lakes or creeks or streams, but anything where you're away from civilization, where you're not supposed to be camping and you're not allowed to camp, you don't have permission to camp, but you can't. That's why that is stealth camping also. That's the kind I like to do. Just because it gives me more options to camp, I'm not near any civilizations, neighborhoods, I'm not near restaurants, that type of thing.